I'm gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail because I'm bored and I want views. First thing you want to do is open up Photoshop. And what you want to do is you want to click create new. And then you want to set your resolution as 1280 by 720. Which you can do over here on the side. Name it whatever you want. And then click create. Once you've done that, you need a background image. Then what you want to do is you want to go to Google. And you want to get a background image of the game or whatever you're doing. I'm gonna do Fortnite since you're all probably like Fortnite. You're freaking 12s. You just want to look up like a cinematic shot of it. But you want to make sure it's 1280 by 720 so that it fits your resolution. I'm gonna grab that. Once you get that, paste it, boom, you're done. Double click on the actual image of it and you want to set the thingamabob 25. Alright, now once you've done that, you want to create a new layer by clicking this little blob thing down here. And then once you've done that, you want to get your brush to a suitable size. And you just want to color it in with like a really obnoxious color. Because once you do that, then like you can see it. And then what you want to do is you want to double click on the pink image thing. And then you want to go to your gradient overlay. And then you want to put an overlay on it. I usually make my own, so I'm going to get a really basic one. And then I'm going to change the colors of it by clicking these little things. And you can just, I don't know, freaking yellow and orange, sure. And then you can tweak some of the settings as the angle and all that. The scale. Then you want to go up to the blending options in the top left and you want to set the general opacity to about 50. Yeah, okay. So then you can still see the background image, but you can also see like, okay, anyway. Then you want to go to Google again and this time you want to look for those speedy anime lines. Yeah, speed lines PNG. And make sure it's the right resolution. Here's a good one. Just copy it. And then just paste it. Double click it. And then there's this thing down here, right here. Make sure it says blend if gray. And then what you want to do is you want to drag this thing. No, not that one. This one? No, not that one. This one? Yeah, you want to drag this one until all the black's gone. That does good. Alright. And then once you've done that, you want to like create a new layer. And this time you want to click on this thing right here and you want to set it to blur. And then you want to like increase the size to like a pretty big size. And you're going to blend all these in. And you want to blend this in. Then you want to blend this in. Now you need like a big thing to go in front. What I'm gonna do is go back into Google. And when it loads, okay. And then I'm gonna find an image of a Fortnite character. You could try getting a PNG. Find one that looks good. This one's very clickbaity, or you can get one of these ones, or like this one just looks good because it's high quality. Copy it again, and you want to paste it in, and make it a little bit smaller. You're gonna get your image. I already did something bad to it. Anyway, you're gonna have a bunch of white or black around it, whatever. If it's white, it's good. You're just gonna decrease this. Boom. And you want to put him there. Rotate him a little bit. Make him bigger. Alright, deselect. Find the text tool right here. And then click on your screen. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so then you are going to put in your text. I don't know, depending on your thumbnail, this is a way to do a thumbnail. You can make your text, you want to, like, get the Fortnite. Just gonna put some drop shadow on, decrease it just a bit. Chuck on a color overlay and a stroke. I'm gonna invert the colors here. I'm gonna make it blue. Alright, and then you have your Fortnite text. Actually, what I will do is I can just duplicate this. Let's make this we'll make this small since it's longer. You just want to line it up. Yeah, I think I got it. Alright, so I'm gonna go to blending options again. And then set the stroke to black and set the color to white. I don't want it to be too dark in some places. And that's it. That's a thumbnail. Yep, I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is a terrible tutorial. Goodbye.